Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new rear air struts for the BMW 7 Series, G11, and G12 with all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle. Then remove the applicable rear wheel and disconnect the airline from the strut. Now disconnect and unroute the two electrical connections to the strut. Then remove the debris guard under the wheel carrier assembly. Also remove the bottom strut mount bolt and disassemble the back seat and the rear speaker panel to reveal the strut top mount. Next, remove the 3 top mount nuts and then remove the old strut from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Start the installation by prepping the new air strut. Do so by removing the silver threaded shipping plug, installing the provided VOS fitting, and removing the white shipping pin. Next, install the new Arnott strut onto the vehicle and install the 3 top mount nuts. Also, install the bottom strut mount bolt and reinstall the debris shield under the wheel carrier assembly. Connect the 2 electrical connections to the new strut. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Insert the airline into the strut VOS fitting and press the airline in firmly until it is seated. Reassemble the back seat and speaker paneling and reinstall the wheel. Now lower the vehicle and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the BMW 7 Series air struts with Arnott parts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.